Chairperson ka State Commission for Protection of Child's Right ka Agatha Sangma hagasngi ba ka Leit jngoh Khynnah skul bakhan snem ka shah dung runar injek haki arngut ki runar durkhmat katba kadang iaid lynti skul haga janmiet Nyngkong. Ka Agatha Sangma haringkat ki dikhot ka commission ki Leit yakendu yakani ka Khynnah ha Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital ba Desember yaki doctor ki basumar yaka ban keli berthau halor ka jinglong jingman ka kwat ka khia jongani ka Khynnah. Laban kedua hangni kini ke Khynnah kelasha dung daunar injek haki arngut kirunar belatap durkhmat bat basyong skuti kat bakadangya lynti skul haga janmiet Nyngkong. Kini ke jingjia kelaja khmat ka office jong ka Bible Society kebadan marjan kamaran student Jaiaw.
This is a very shocking incident which we have not seen in our state before, and I'm really alarmed and I'm very worried about things like this happening. As of now, we spoke to the doctor. As of now, the child is stable and there is nothing serious in her condition. But in general, these kind of incidences, one has to be very careful. And I mean, as a commission, we really condemn things like this happening, and we really want to have a state where our children are safe. She was just going to school, and being able to go to school safely is something that is a sort of a right of every child. And we really hope that we can provide that for our children. So it's a collective effort. Government has to do its part, and the society has to do its part. You as a media, you are really raising voices, and I'm really glad to create awareness among people. You're doing that, and even we as a commission, we are trying to do whatever is in our power to make a more sensitive society. So I mean, it is a collective effort, and I came and I visited the girl, and I spoke to her, and I'm glad that she had the presence of mind. After she was injected, she had the presence of mind to go and check herself in the pharmacy, get herself admitted. So that presence of mind is very, very important as well. So before anything major would happen to her, she could get medical. See, I believe there are some CCTVs in the area where the route is, where the schools are. And it's firstly very important that all these CCTVs are functional, and we have to create a much more better surveillance in our state. Also, wherever possible, we should have better security systems. And in general, this is one case that has happened in Meghalaya, but in general, our children are able to go to school safely. So I would encourage children to continue to go to school. Do not get discouraged because of one incident that has happened. And I hope and I pray that the perpetrators are caught. But currently we don't have any CCTV footage or any sort of a surveillance to know who actually did this. Even the girl herself does not remember the number plate or does not recognize the people because they were masked and they had helmets on. So I hope, of course, the police has already taken note of this and they are already investigating the matter. So I hope something fruitful comes out of that. But in the meantime, like I said, I encourage the children, no matter what, to just continue and go to school and do not disrupt their regular school activity because of this incident. And from the government side, from the society side, we have to be more vigilant. I think that is a very good idea. We should have more patrolling in these areas, especially areas where it seems these incidences are getting more rampant. So I think patrolling is one of the best ways we can manage the situation.